I'm Peep Martista, Regional Coordinator at UN Economic Commission for Europe for National Policy Dialogues. National Policy Dialogues on integrated water resource management are platforms to help countries of Eastern Europe, Caucasus and Central Asia to develop their water sector policies. And what we do, we actually pool the resources and expertise of the United Nations Economic Commission for Europe with our 20 years work on Water Convention. It's a very useful framework and tool for those countries. The OECD, which is very good on economic instruments. The European Union with its Water Initiative and of course Water Framework Directive has very good examples for those countries to use in their work to reform their water sector policies. Now of course those countries can choose what best suits to them, and their approach can be very different. For example, countries like Azerbaijan and Tajikistan are drafting their water sector reform strategies. Some other countries like Moldova and Kyrgyzstan are testing basin management, river basin management, basin councils. Other countries like Turkmenistan, Georgia and others are making changes in their national legislation in water codes to accommodate basin management and other new principles to their national circumstances and see how that can help them to manage their scarce water resources. But something we have very common in all of the countries is that we have the process being guided by a national steering committee, which is a high-level body chaired by deputy minister, which meets once or twice a year, and really involves different ministries and stakeholders besides water ministries, ministries of nature conservation, agriculture, health, industry, energy and others, of course other stakeholders as well, to provide them sort of broad guidance to the process. And I think having this kind of national steering committees to guide this process has been main reason for our success in the region. We've been dealing with this project for more than 5-6 years, and having this kind of really broad understanding and support in this process has been really important, because we have seen sometimes very rapid political changes in the countries in our region. But you have built this really broad understanding on the issues and the need of change, and that also helps to overcome difficult situations in the countries. We have been working in the region on national policy dialogues for more than 6 years, and I think what have been successful is that we have been concentrating on really broad policy issues instead of going into very technical solutions. And we have seen many countries actually really appreciating this approach of having this really broad discussions with different stakeholders and with different donors as part of this platform and process, and are already asking us to continue with this approach and project. And we are of course at UNEC willing and ready to continue providing our support to this kind of policy dialogues in the region.